Welcome to Gugus Learning World.
Today we are going to learn sports names. Football, basketball, baseball, cricket, tennis, rugby, polo, hockey, boxing, karate, marathon, cycling, javelin throw, surfing, archery, Formula 1, darts, pool, gymnastics, bowling, trampoline, skydiving, curling, badminton, swimming, horse racing, skiing, rafting, tug of war, chess. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more great videos.